So with pivot table, we want to make the one report for this data. For understand the data, this is the sales data. This is the order ID, the ticket number, order date, year, month, customer ID, customer name, category, state, city, salesperson, category name, product, payment time, quantity, unit price and amount, and this is the logistic cost. Okay. So I want to make the one report with this data, and this data is a table. So we have just create here data, and now we have just support, and now the report. But with pivot table, I want to make the report also show the charts and also show the some data. Okay. So we want to make the dashboard using the pivot table. Okay. So first we have create the some interface. So first we remove the grid line from the page layout and remove your grid line. Now the total we have right here the one titling here, report title. We have select and color, the background color, change the color here and write the report. The sales report 2026 and change the color to white and bold. Increase the size here. Right. Now I want to create here total project. So we have removed the size for a border and select the one area and give the background color here. Right. And we write here total sold quantity. We have changed the color and increase the size. And now go to the support, select here, and this is the pivot and name is the DT, and go to the your location existing worksheet and select the support sheet and just press the OK. And now we just put the quantity here, quantity unit here, put here. Okay. And we have select this, merge, place the equal, select this quantity, change the color and increase the size. Okay, the sold quantity 254772. But I want to also see here trend of the my sold quantity. Right. So that time we have put the month in the row section and insert the line chart here. And go to the design and change your chart design, and we have removed the all features just like title, legend, everything, also button also hide it. So right click, hide buttons, and now cut this and go to the report section and paste. But also the border, so we have go to the chart picture style here, design, format here, and self fill no. Okay, and remove the size here and okay, select here and format also and remove the sharp outline. So this is the sales sold quantity, or here is the monthly trend. monthly trend. Okay. So total quantity here, and you can see the second month my sale is down, and now we picking up, and my sale is fluctuate, not as smooth. But from the March to June, my sale will be increasing. So this is the trend. Same trend I want to show on the my quantity. Sorry, amount. So we have select this and color here. Give the background color, the different color here. Okay, and right here, uh, revenue gain and color white, bold, and also increase the size. Okay, and go to support sheet, and again make the one pivot. Same like a month wise total sales amount, month wise sales amount. Now go to the report section. We have merged this area, merge this area, and equal. Go to the report, select this, but this amount is very high, so very problem to understand. So in a custom we apply here million, round in the million. Okay, so color will be changed and white here and bold, and we have increased the size. Same, we have select this, insert the line chart, go to the design, change your line chart design, and right click, hide here, and everything will be removed here. Now select this, cut, go to the report section, paste here, and now go to the format. We have removed, no fill the outline, and no fill your background. Remove the color size, color here, and select this and increase the size. Also select this and no fill. Okay. Now we have select this line and okay. Now we have in the data I have same have the logistic cost. So right here logistic cost. We have select the area and now we have changed the color here and go to the data, insert the pivot, existing pivot, support. We have select these and okay. Write the month and the logistic cost. Okay. Go to the here. We have select this and merge. Okay. We can also copy and paste here. No, sorry. Merge here. Merge and equal. We have select the support sheet and select this the total. Remove the decimal and increase the size here. Okay. Now go to the insert and select the line chart and go to the design. Change the line chart format, which format you want to choose. This type of format. Okay. And remove the buttons and remove the all element. Okay. Now cut this and paste here. And first we have go to the design and no, format and remove the background color, no fill and no. And we have select this and okay, clear. We have also size here, and now we have color this for red, and also we have select this, and here is the logistic cost percentage. Okay, cost percent. So now insert the gain chart, existing sheet, go to the support sheet, select here, and okay. Now we just write here the unit price, and we have select the value field setting and average. This is the average unit price. Okay, so 500 is the maximum price. So right here 500 and copy that and select this. And select the both of, sorry. We have equal 500 minus this. And select this, insert and go to the bar chart. Switch row and column. Now remove the all things and right click here, the fill here. Overlap is 100%. And this is the send to back. Click right here one, and this is the green right here and green. Fill, solid fill and right green. Okay, and remove the all feature from here, chart, everything here, and also no fill, no outline. Cut this and paste. So right here 0 and is the 500, and we just select here, right click, add data level. Just click here, add data level. Sorry. Add data level. The difference will be show here. Okay, no problem. So we have select this and merge and press the equal and go to the support sheet, select this. Okay. You can also the small size, yeah? Or logistic cost percentage. We just press this and divide. So this is the 10%. Okay. Now I want to show the data here. And I want to show the data yearly. So pivot table, existing worksheet, go to the report sheet, we have select this. Okay. And now we have select here uh, month wise, city wise, product wise, category wise, payment type, quantity, unit price, amount, and logistic cost. And go to the design section and report layout and show the tabular form. And I want to repeat it here. So select here repeat. So all repeat item repeated here. And now we right click here and subtotal month we have removed, subtotal city, subtotal product, and subtotal our category, and subtotal our payment type. So no subtotal here. Okay. So this is the month, every month, city, product, category, department, sum of quantity, the unit price. We have changed the unit price average. Go to the format and change the right. I know average. So we type here rate, amount, revenue, and logistic cost. Total logistic cost. So we have changed it. Okay. And good. Yeah, we have select this the one formatting here. Select your format, which format you want to. Okay. And we have also right click here and fill list. We can also add the more field here. Just like salesperson, after category salespersons. Right click and subtotal salespersons we are removed. Okay. And you can also put here state after salespersons. And right click, we have removed the salespersons. Okay. This is our data. So this is the summary and data both of sorry. Summary and data both of sorry. Right? You can also use the slicer. So put the slicer just like year. Right here, year, and this you have show the year here. So I want to just 2023, all report be 2023, 2025. You'll see. Okay. So you have tried to make this.
Yeah, this one, it's a lot. It's a lot. I would need to
Yeah.
go over and over again at least 2 3 times.
Yeah. Right. Right. Need to make the 2 time, 3 time, and I just upload the class videos.